Hello kids, welcome in online class. Presentation Convent High School, class nursery, subject English, topic make words with sounds, copy page number 58. This is English copy for nursery class. I have opened page number 58 and on this page the heading is Make Words with Sounds. Make words with sounds. On this page you can see three sounds are given: a, b, k. Today we will make words with a. So children, look carefully and learn the right writing formation of the sounds. Let's start our work. Our first word is an. For writing an, first of all we will write a. For writing a, start writing from the second line. Write a clever cat like this. Go up and come down and then make a tail. And for writing naughty Nick, start writing from the second line. Write a straight line, go up to the same line, make round, come down and then make a small tail. An. Our next word is am. For writing am, start writing from the second line. Write a like this. And for writing munching Mike, start writing from the second line. Write a straight line, go up to the same line, make round, come down, go up again, make round, come down and then make a tail. Am. Our next word is at. For writing at, first of all we will write a like this. And for writing ticking tom, if you remember children, ticking tom does not touch first line. Start writing from here. Write a straight line and make a tail on its right side and put a small line on the second line. At. Our next word is and. For writing and, first of all we will write a like this and naughty Nick like this. And for writing dippy duck, first of all we will make clever cat and then go up and come down and then make a tail. And. Our next word is ant. For writing ant, first of all we will write a like this. Then we will write naughty Nick like this. And for writing ticking tom, start writing from here and make a tail on its right side and put a small line here. And. Our next word is add. For writing add, first of all we will write a like this. And now we will write dippy duck like this. And again we will write dippy duck like this. Add. Girls, here you can see the spelling of apple is given. So we will write the spelling of apple here. First of all we will write a like this. And for writing poor Peter, start writing from the second line. Write a straight line, go up to the same line and make round like. Okay, start writing from the second line. Write a straight line, go up to the same line, make round like this. And for writing lamp lady, start writing from the first line. Write a straight line and then make a tail on its right side And for writing Eddie Elephant, start writing from the center of second and third line. Write a slant line and make a round like a clever cat. Children, we can only spell this word. We cannot sound apple. So spell apple like this. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Children, do neat and good work in your neat copy. Okay? God bless you.